being a hobbit, we like nothing better than a nice warming fire, a pipe full of good old long bottom leaf, and a nice little drink in front of that fire. So what we like in particular is a nice smoky old fashioned, but not just any old smoky old fashioned. We like it slightly spiced up. So cinnamon. So we get ourselves a glass with a lump of ice, and we get some cinnamon syrup. Now this is 1 part sugar to 1 part water, boiled up till it sort of turns syrupy, but in it we put cinnamon sticks. Okay, now this ended up being quite syrupy, so we're going to add half a measure. Okay, just going to pour that into there. Let me get that out of the way, and then we get ourselves a nice malt whisky, and we want a double measure of that. Now I'm going to do it in that end because it's all sticky, this end, isn't it? 1, 2 and a bit. Okay, I'm just trying to rinse the syrup out. Okay, now the next thing we want is our smoker on there, and we want to get that cinnamon smokiness into it. So we got the cinnamon in the syrup, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck in some broken up bits of cinnamon, and just to help it burn a little bit, I've got a few oak chips now. I think, oh no, these are apple wood chips. Okay, and then we're going to smoke it. Okay, so we need to get that burning, which does take a little while to get going, and then you can start seeing that nice smoky applewood and cinnamon going down in there. Just giving it a little helping hand. And then you want another bit of cinnamon, because what we're now going to do, stick that in there for a bit of garnish, and there you have your smoky old fashioned cinnamon smoked. Beautiful. Just right for a hobbit, relaxing in front of that fire, reminiscing about foreign adventures, which not many hobbits do.